Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and I hope you really had a nice expiry, right? So excellent expiry. Market hardly moved 100 or 200 points. I'm talking about Nifty, and Bank Nifty in fact never moved more than 250 points. Many big traders made good money. Even our trades, all of our trades are in good profit, right? So we'll talk about that in details in a few moments. Before that, let me tell you, please do consider joining our Telegram channel. We have a very vibrant Telegram channel where we discuss many things about strategies. There are many intellectuals who post their views, ideas in our Telegram channel. So it's free of cost. Nobody is going to charge you. So if you want, you can join the Telegram channel, for which the link is on the description below, right? And coming back to our markets are, in fact, our markets are performing. Nifty is holding to 18,000 and Bank Nifty is holding to 42,000, maybe 42,200, right? Now, Bank Nifty was not, bulls were trying to close above 42,500 in terms of Bank Nifty I'm talking about. And Nifty, yesterday's high was 18,183. So all day long Nifty bulls were trying to close above 18,183, but they were not able to close above 18,000. That is very good news. It's not a good news, but we are not having positive global cues. That is a problem, right? For one or other reason, if you check Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the red. In fact, yesterday Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq all was down by, I think Dow Jones was down by 1.5%, Nasdaq, S&P was all down by 1% or less than 1%. So that is the only reason we are holding, we are not able to go up. You imagine this way, or let me put it this way, what will happen if we are getting global cues, right? We are not getting global cues. Europe is on the red, US is in the red. In spite of that, we are holding. Indian markets are super strong, super resilient. It doesn't want to go down. Now imagine what will happen if US markets we are getting support from global cues, right? So that is a main concern here. And tomorrow, very important day in terms of earnings, because Reliance is going to come out with a result. We don't know how the results are going to come out. Maybe if we get a positive, Reliance is a heavyweight. As you may know, Reliance is a very, very heavyweight company in index. Maybe even if Reliance moves maybe 10%, not 10%, maybe 2% or 2.5%, if the results are good, then we may go and close above 18,200 or 18,300 levels. So 18,100 is a very, very strong resistance, not strong resistance in the sense immediate resistance. So in order for Nifty to go above 18,100, it has 18,000 towards 18,500, it has to sustain above 18,100. That is the key concern here. And as I talk to you, what is happening in the US market is, as I told you, oh my god, Dow future is almost down by 1%. S&P Nasdaq is almost down by 1%. So what will happen, you know, right? And maybe tomorrow we are going to gap down. Today itself I expected a gap down, but we were very fortunate. That's why I'm saying we are very, very strong. Indian markets are very strong. No matter what happens, it doesn't want to come down. As you may remember, I was a very bear guy. I was a very bearish guy. I was always expecting the market to go on the downside, but that's not happening. That's a whole different story. We'll talk about that in a different video. But what we are seeing now is, let me refresh this. Oh my god, Europe is almost, FTSE is down by 1.5%, France is down by 1.5%, and German is also down by 1.5%. Dow Jones is down by almost 1%, S&P Nasdaq is also down by almost 1%. So you have to be careful. Maybe we will gap down tomorrow. Maybe Nifty will go below 18,000, which is considered as a strong support. Plus we have a Reliance result. Plus and we'll see how Bank Nifty is performing. Maybe it will go below 42,000. So it all depends on how global cues works out. That's why I'm saying today itself, I thought yesterday Dow Jones tanked more than 600. At one time, it was down by more than 600 points. So that was a key concern here. And the FIIs are net sellers today, right? Sorry, net buyers today. They have bought for around 400 crores and DIs have sold for around 128 crores, right? So this is a very good thing happening in the market. The good thing, what is the good thing? If you ask me what is the good thing, so no matter what happens, Indian markets are resilient and they don't want to come down. So you can confidently go and sell put options, right? Of course, there's a disclaimer. You will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. Don't just do it because Umar is saying, right? So you may burn your hand or you may end up in losses. So be careful. We'll see how SGX Nifty is reacting. Now SGX Nifty and global cues and our markets, there is no correlation at all. Today morning I saw SGX Nifty down by 80 points, but Nifty is opening just flat, right? Almost flat, just 30 or 40 points gap down. So whole day long it was a zigzag move. I know a trader who, if you remember, we posted a video a few days back. We put a very big thumbnail, 17 lakh profit, and this same trader made a profit of around 25 lakhs. So that's a good thing about intraday trading. See, intraday trading is a setup where you will have to do continuously the same thing again and again and again and again. It is like a record, you have to do it again and again. No matter you make profit or no matter you make big loss, you have to believe the system and you have to do it continuously. And that is what is about algo trading. And when it comes to algo trading, and today is a day where all the algo made a profit of around 12,000. Now I'll go to my strategies and check what is happening in terms of total cumulative profit or cumulative loss it has made. So this is the main strategy we are focused on, and this strategy has given a profit of around 4k till now. So today is the 13th day. Another maybe 10 days or 9 trading session we will run this strategy and we will see how this strategy is performing, whether the strategy is giving profit or whether the strategy is giving loss. We will come to know at the end of this month, right? So this is how the markets are, and I'm sure you should have made good profit because today's market was a very easy market. If we are not making money in this market also, I don't think we should say ourselves as a option seller. It was damn easy, right? It was not moving at all. Of course, it made 2-way, 3-way move, but the thing is, it moved in less than 200 or 250 points when it comes to Bank Nifty, and maybe 150 points when it comes to Nifty. That is the thing you have to consider. And last but not least, I would also like to tell you that we have a long-term options webinar on 21st of January 2023. That is Saturday morning 10 a.m. I will leave the link for that webinar on the description. So if you want, you can join the webinar, and it is not free, of course. You'll have to pay maybe less 200 rupees, right? Now you see 200 rupees is nothing, right? So we have many costs involved when it comes to webinar. Zoom alone is costing us so much. It is costing maybe around 3,000 or 3,500. So at least 100 participants, if 100 participants are participating, it will cost more than 2,000 rupees. So in order to cover these costs, we are charging very nominal fees, right? So if you want, you can join the webinar. I will leave the link in the description below. And I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.